we're having like a surprise party para kay Nicole. Happy birthday, Nicole! Happy birthday, Nicole! Dagi, what if the surprise is to us, not for them? we're the ones who will be surprised. Just kidding. Girl, what if tayo talaga yung masusurprise, hindi para si ano? Ayun na pala. They're coming. They're coming. Nicole, nandito yung ano party.
Hello. Hello.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Eh. Okay, uwian na. Uwian na. Nga eh. Tapos na yung party. Yeah. Ang sarap pong mantsahan, te ah.
Diba? It's very white. First time you see me dress.
Wait. She looks virgin.
Everyone, let's proceed to the venue.
Eh! Surprise success! It's a success.
Yan na.
Hey!
Indeed, she has all grew up, and what a sight she has become. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you the Bibilan. Let us all rise as we welcome our lovely and beautiful Bibilan, none other than Miss Nicole Ann Manias. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Ano? High school music.
Once again, good afternoon. Okay. Okay. Ako si state your name. Nalumpa na dili mo uli
Agoy ka.
inighuman sa kaon.
English.
Akong kapuson ang selebrasyon
Wala nang maintindihan tayo.
o dili kung mahimong miyembro sa Eat and Run team.
Agoy ka niya.
Ang dili ko
Wala ako naintindihan.
magsasyaron mokaon ra ko og tarong. Dili ko maguna-una og linya bisan na og gutom na. Kung musmay gihapon ko samtang nakuha sa sudan. Okay, gigutom na gid sila partner. Ang magpangaon, dahil ko na matugtiyan, no? In the picture, magbulay na natin yan. Samtang karoon na wala makakaon, sleep pa man mo.
Babae ako ngayon. Feel na feel ko pagiging girl today. Lechon Cebu. Kung meron pa, baka may Mang Tomas dyan. Masarap pa pala.
Oh, the rolling incense. You are favorite. The one that I
Kuha na lang sila. Ano na lang.
I-cherish ang moment kayo. Talag sa na kayo ng moment, no? O, namagali, and now, shall we have third Renzo Plania?
Dito, oy! Oy! Hoy! James! Dito, dito! Dili, dili! Eh! Ba't siya nakahawak sa balikat sa bewang? Bebe! Bewang! Bewang! Yan!
Next, shall we have
Bewang.
Mr. Plania?
Yung mga tita mo, ano? Perfectionist! Dito pa ito na ba yung love team? Tayo, sino yan? Pwede pa yan? Ay, yung final. Ay!
Shall we have Boa
Ay, wait. Parang hindi ako. Okay ba? Pwede na rin.
And now, can we have Steve Ford Rosas?
Hoy! Sumayaw!
Up
Hoy!
next is Frankie
Oy, ano yan?
Palacio. Shall we have John Paul Monterde? And sing-
Hoy! Yung nanay talaga yun eh. Yung nanay. Ay! Ako yata yung binibigyan ng bese. Yung tita mo, oh. Ate, bakit gano'n? Magdibutin tayo. Tita mo! Yung mga tita mo, numiiyak. Pati tuloy
So
ako
much for
naiyak.
that. Let's welcome Miss
May bata.
Randol.
Since 18 ka na, I'm hoping and wish you all the best in life. Don't wait kasi I know that all your dreams will come true one day. Yung effort mo na binibigay sa school, push mo lang. However, yung time management, sa health mo, which is really important. Nagkasakit ka before yung party, but it's a success. Medyo napahaba kasi I just wanna let you know that daming nagmamahal sa'yo, si Tatay Arnie, si Mama Annabelle, si Hani, lahat. And syempre, si Mami mo at kami. Napagsasabihan ka minsan, pero huwag mo sana, don't be sensitive about, they do care about you, so they don't want you to feel na wala lang. Your mom is here. She cares about you so much.
Ang taas!
Andun ako nung recognition mo sa Bulacan.
Ah.
I'm so happy and proud kasi ang daming medals na sinasabi sa'yo and I feel like, wow, yung mga medals sa'yo nagpapatunay na you're really smart and kung ano man ang gusto mo parating sa buhay. Ngayon, napakaganan pero hindi na namin umalis din because we flight pa si Miss J. Happy birthday and I love you and I know that you'll stay pretty.
First years about from your grateful mama. Now I know you personally. I need a wonderful, loving, humble young woman in you. I'm proud to be one of your friends and family. From the bottom of my heart, my English is not so good.
No, it's okay.
Congratulate you on your birthday. Congratulate
Congratulations.
the world for having you. I wish you happiness, love, friendship, that you can do what you want, achieve what you want, and all in the best of years. Happy birthday, young one.
Yeah.
Wish has been fulfilled. You brought so much love, pride, and joy into my life. Watching you step into adulthood fills my heart with gratitude and hope for all the lies ahead for you. Ay, ahead! Happy ko na surprise. Happy ko na na-surprise ka, ani, na pangarap din ako sa una nga, magtibok ko na nako yung ani nga party. Pero, tungod dali sa kawadon, pero, karon ang akong pinangarap, natungan din para nimo. Balang araw, magkaanak ka din. Magkaanak ako pala. Yung pangarap ko na balang araw pag nagkaanak ako, gusto ko na magtibong na-experience akong anak ang dibo party. Miski, simple lang, pero memorable para nimo. And even it's simple, at least most of the people here present remind you just how deeply you are loved. Wala na lang sa mundo. At least, natupad ko din ang pangarap ko na makita ang anak kong babae na nagbibigo. Masaya na ako din, anak. Always and forever, I'm so proud of you. I love you, my forever baby.
Sige, girl. For the cloud. For the cloud. Parang hindi naman joke lang.
For the candle is a wish.